Welcome to the S4 engineering stand here at PPMA Show 2024, where, well, alongside these two magnificent kettles, we have two magnificent engineers. We've got Phil and we've got Sam here to tell us about, first of all, Phil, a bit about what S4 engineering does, and then maybe where your innovations are at the moment. So first of all, Phil, yeah, S4, what do you do?
We're a leading UK-based process engineering company. We design from full turnkey solutions to small standalone equipment like you can see in front of you. We specialise in the brewery, bakery, dairy, pharmaceutical, cosmetic industry in particular. In front of us we've got two 1,000-litre kettles, and you mentioned about some of the innovation we've come up with in the past year, and I'd like to talk a little bit about that if I can.
Yeah, sure. Okay, so typical applications, like you say, for these kettles, what kind of customers would be able to make most use out of this today?
So I think it would mainly be manufacturers of soups, sauces, anything liquid, anything that requires heating, anything that has powder additions to it, anything that has to be cooked in a controlled, cleanable and hygienic fashion.
So in terms of innovation then, this is what's out there currently, but you guys, S4 Engineering, you're innovating, you're finding new solutions, new things to enable your customers to do things better, faster, more efficiently, more sustainable, I don't know. What are the kinds of areas that we might see these kettles in next year, year after or so, pushing those boundaries moving forward?
Yeah, ultimately the design is quite simple and it's quite effective, but what we can improve on is such things like hygiene. So that's a massive addition we can include to the design. So for example, some of the areas where dust or water or product would sit, so you've got flat surfaces like here, which we've eliminated with a new skirt, which we're going to include going around there, and that just tidies up some flat surfaces. We've changed the actuator. You can see the rotary actuator which opens up the hopper, which allows the ingredients to go inside the hopper. On the right-hand side, you can see we've got a yellow actuator. The left-hand side is blue. It's not just a colour difference. It is also a different grade of paint, which is more hygienic, more suitable for the client's needs.
So these are innovations that you're currently designing into your products, into your kettles that, who knows, maybe next year, PPMA Show 2025, we might be able to see right here on your stand?
Fingers crossed, absolutely. And that was only a few. I could mention quite a lot about the manway entry, the grille. We're trying to put a fixed in place one as a variable options rather than just a single rotary one. There's a lot of moving parts which we're trying to eliminate. There's innovation all over the machine, all over the item.
And Sam, you speak with customers, I'm sure, about the challenges that they have, what they're looking for on the market. What are you particularly keen to see in the next generation of these products, and I guess help your customers with what they're demanding of you?
Well, I think this year we've certainly seen an increase in the number of sort of plant-based applications as well. Yep. So we've had inquiries about plant-based butters and stuff like that, where we could apply these technologies, adapt them, and then implement them in these new industries for these new applications which we've never seen before. So things like installing a high shear mixer at the bottom to blitz up cashews, and all of a sudden you've got a nut butter that you can then sell. So it's
excellent stuff. Well, look, thank you so much for chatting us through, I guess, some of the future of what we'll be seeing here on your stand in 2025, and we will come back and check, that I can guarantee. Just before we go, tell me, PPMA Show, it's well and truly open here. Has it been a good start of the event for you guys? Good conversations that you've had so far, apart from with us, of course?
Yeah, I think there's some good quality leads coming in the promising future ahead, absolutely.
Excellent, and it's great to be able to chat not only obviously with us, but also with customers, people who are buying, who are using this equipment. Those kind of conversations that you get at PPMA Show only help you to drive what you offer forward and ultimately drive the industry and your customers' capabilities forward, right?
Yeah, at the end of the day, we are supplying solutions to customers, and they are the ones who approach us with the solutions. It's more general, the solutions, so like the CIP, the kettles, the heating, all of these new applications. We're suddenly realising we can do with these customers who approach us with all their new challenges.
Well, listen, Sam, Phil, thank you so much for joining us here on PPMA Show TV. Have a terrific rest of PPMA Show 2024. Look forward to seeing you and your new kettles next year. Thanks for now, gents.
Thank you.
Thank you.